the arithmetic operations that we can perform on the corresponding pixel pairs. So we would be taking a look at the four arithmetic operations: addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. We would see the effect of each of these operations via some examples. Later, we would be taking a look at the set operations that we can do on binary images like union, intersection, complement, subtraction, as well as we would see that what do we do in case of grayscale images where I have a range of intensities. So how can I do set operations with those specific intensity values. Then we would be studying the logical operations that we can perform on binary images like inversion or not, and or, XOR, and all logical operations. So we would look at all of these operations and also implement those operations on certain images and check the output. Finally, we would study the spatial operations that we perform directly on the pixels of any image. And there are three broad categories in which they are classified: single pixel operations, neighborhood operations, and geometrical transformations. So we would study each of them in detail and we would have examples for each of them. So we would conclude the chapter with geometric spatial transformations like scaling, rotation, translation, and all. And then at the end, we would apply each of them and perform processing using MATLAB. So see you all in the class then. These are the references. The images are taken from Gonzalez and Woods.